welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we are going to be making a homemade baked brie. This is actually one of my favorite dishes that my cousin Adalia lent to me, and I always request it anytime she's coming over. It's super easy to make and even more delicious to have. So let's get started.
So we're going to start mixing together half a cup of chopped apple, a fourth cup of sliced almonds, a fourth cup of dried cranberries, 1 tablespoon of butter. One tablespoon of packed brown sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and mix them together in a big bowl.
Just a little taste. That is delicious. So the next thing you're going to want to have is an 8-ounce round disc of cheese, which we are then going to cut in half.
The next thing you're going to want to do is place the pie crust in a nice baking sheet, placing the rind side down in the pie crust. From there, you're going to scoop about half of your mixture of chopped almonds on top of it, then covering it with the gooey side of the brie, so the rind side is facing upwards. From there, we're going to place the leftover half of the mixture on top and wrap the puff pastry all around it. From there, if you'd like, you can brush the top of the puff pastry with some butter, so when you put it in the oven, it browns very nice and crispy. We're also going to be preheating our oven to 350 degrees, and we're going to bake it for 30 to 35 minutes, or really until your cheese is melted. If you like a harder cheese, you can bake it less, and if you want something really gooey, you can bake it more. Honestly, I like to go by the look of this cheese, and you can really tell when it's ready.
Now the best part, getting to taste it. Delicious.
I hope you guys enjoy.